So now let's see how we can work around with font color, highlight, and alignment in Affinity. So for that, let me just go around over here onto the text right here. It can be either in vector or pixel. So I'm just going to go ahead and make a text frame right here, just like this. So over here, what I'm going to type is I'm going to go ahead and type in this is a sentence. Let's say, for example, I'm going to press space and then copy paste this out right here to create a paragraph-like field. So let's say what I want to do is I want to increase the size of this text. So for that, I can select this out and increase out the size of this right here, or decrease it out right here. Then what I can do is I can select out a sentence right here, just like this. And then on the top, what you can do is you can go to font color right here and change the font color right here, just like this. You can even change around the opacity of that particular selected font right here, just like this right here. So you can go ahead and then select out a particular range right here as you want. And this is what you have. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and select out, let's say, for example, a particular sentence, and you can go around over here onto highlight color and select the background color for it as well, just like this. And that is how you can set the font color and even the highlight color as you wish. So over here, you can see that the text right here is aligned over here onto the left, meaning it is pushed onto the left. And if you want to align it to the center, you can actually go around over here, align it to the center right here. You can even go ahead, align it to the right just by clicking on it. And as you click, you can see that you can change around the justification as well. So I can align to the left right here or justify left. That means the last sentence right here is aligned to the left, while the right hand side, as you can see, is aligned like, let's say, for example, in a straight line, unlike while aligning left. You can do the same while justifying center and justifying right as well. Or you can justify all so that the spacing between the words right here is equal in all of them. And you can see that a large space is actually added in to make sure that it is balanced left and right. You can also align to the spline over here on the right hand side right here, or away right here, just like this as well. So this is what you have, as you can see, and align out as you want. And that is how you can go ahead and then work around with font color, highlight, and alignment of text inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.